council members. This year, he will be determined to create a difference with better possibilities and great opportunities. Being a vice captain of Ruby House last year, he has motivated many students and teammates to cope up with extremities and help them achieve their goals. He aims to clear NTA and wants to join the Indian Army to serve the nation with great zeal and courage. Many congratulations, Hemant. So here we have the head boy for the session 25-26. A powerhouse of expressions, Khushi has been a star on the stage since grade 3, earning numerous accolades in debate and declamation competitions. Her presence doesn't stop at the mic. She also brings energy and elegance to the dance floor as well, participating actively in all the school events. Driven by curiosity and a love for problem solving, Khushi dreams of becoming a successful engineer, ready to build solutions for the future. Many congratulations, Khushi. So this is the head girl for the session. Sports captain boys, Sukhi. He's part of SWPS family from past 5 years and has done quite great in all the spheres including academics and sports. He is determined to dispense his duties responsibly with an energetic spirit and precision. He is ready to take up the legacy of the sportsmanship for the year. As a leader, he is going to give all his support to the students to motivate them in every manner and to resolve their concerned issue. He inspires to be a wing commander captain, showcasing her passion and attachment towards sports. She had achieved gold medal in Sahodia tournament and has also participated in school and other inter-academic tournaments with inspiration to become an archaeologist and make her parents proud. She embodies determination and leadership and is known for her sincerity and discipline. She will foster a positive team spirit and led by an equal hand where it's needed the most. So with a deep sense of responsibility and a heart full of compassion, he is ready to lead initiatives that promote awareness, kindness and social impact. He is confident that he will take the meaningful step towards building a more thoughtful and inclusive environment. Many congratulations, Bhavya. So his social cause, her strength is her confidence. She's always ready to help others. She always shines in assemblies, declamation, in all the related activities. She believes that if you yourself are the architect of your own destiny, then you can change anything. A hard-working young leader, always ready to help, motivate, and encourage others. Many congratulations, Janvi. So, the family since 2016 and as a passionate individual with a dream to become a doctor. With strong leadership skills, enthusiasm for basketball and dedication for hard work, he is confident that he will bring a unique blend of creativity and responsibility to this role. Eager to showcase his skills, work collaboratively with peers and contribute to making the school's cultural events unforgettable. So he is Ayush, cultural competence, dedication and excellent communication skills. Her active participation in debate and declamation competition has taken her to greater heights. With a clear vision of becoming a fashion designer in future, she aims to make a meaningful mark in the world of style and innovation. Many congratulations, Shabal. So she is Cultural Secretary Girls, Session 25-26. Let's give them a big round of applause. Honestly, and should never receive anybody in life. Every great team needs a guiding light. So here we have our achieved recognition in inter-school dance competitions, declamation and quizzes, showcasing her dedication to both academics and extracurricular. Kanishka's curiosity, kindness and resilience make her stand out. She has also contributed actively to school functions and group activities. So with a strong ambition to become a businesswoman as well as a kind, pure-hearted, noble person, we congratulate her as the captain of Emirate House 25-26. Let's clap for them. Next we have Vice Captain Raji, a passionate candidate who has won medals at district taekwondo competition, which reflects her dedication and fighting spirit. Inspiring to become a professor, deeply values her knowledge, teamwork, and growth of those around her. Believes in leading with energy, response prefect. So the first we have Swasti. Prishita. She is pleased to serve her school. We have Manu Baroja and his immense leadership, creativity, curiosity, and intelligence. Achieved gold medals and trophies of excellence, active participant of co-curricular activities, aims to become a doctor and serve the nation in all. A confident, energetic, and a committed student who always strives to give his best in every endeavor. He approaches each responsibility with dedication and enthusiasm. With a relentless drive, Anmol continues to make a lasting impact, who has showcased skills in sports and academics by achieving various medals and trophies. Dedicated, disciplined, and determined individual always strives for excellence. He secured 95th rank in Hisar and got silver medal in Haryana District Chess Championship 2023 and chasing a dream to be a wonderful and great engineer by passing out from IIT Roorkee. He believes that unity can bring us desire. She always helps others and an active participant of music competition who wants to serve the society by any means. She aims to be a doctor, leads with humility, stands firm with integrity, and inspires through action. Approachable and always ready to support and guide her peers. A passionate science teacher and a mentor par excellence, she blends logic with leadership and discipline with dedication. Her presence brings strength, structure, and inspiration. Her ability to excel in academics and extracurricular activities. Her outstanding performance in group dance competition, where she has garnered prizes and showcases her creativity, talent, and dedication. She is poised to inspire her peers and work collaboratively with the school administration to achieve common goal. Many congratulations, Yoshita, for being the captain of Gold House this year. Following next is the vice captain, Gold House, Swasti. Let's give us the dynamic vice captain of Gold House, this multifaceted, talented shine, bright in karate with an impressive collection of 24 medals and 11 trophies. When not breaking boards, Swasti grows to several activities and expresses herself through dance. With a passion for healing, she is quite adaptive and thrives in fast-paced signatures. Her resilience helps her to navigate challenges and stay focused on her goals. She got recognition in the prestigious debate competition showcasing her public speaking skills. And co-curricular activities. He is an obedient, sincere, and a decent classmate admired by peers and teachers. He promises to lead with honesty and uphold the mission. Jinesh believes that education is more than qualification. Co-curricular activities are as important as studying, so knowledge must be reflected. Active participant of non-academics, winning gold in Maths Olympiad, and aims to serve in civil services, believe in hard work and smart work altogether with fair and passion for technology, and inspires to be a software engineer. In his leisure times, he enjoys expressing himself through art, finding relaxation and creativity in the process. Saksham is poised to make lasting impact and bring out passionate about pursuing her interest in dance and music while fostering a spirit of collaboration and mutual support. Has achievements in both dance competition and academics. She is driven by a desire, a sincere, disciplined, and always ready to help others, earned achievement in dance competition, sports, and enthusiastic participants of various social events. So as a prefect, she aims to set a good example to contribute to success. not just to words but to action also. A mentor who nurtures with wisdom and leads with heart, she is the perfect blend of eloquence and empathy. Student who secured top rank in school and fourth rank in Hussar in ICSO. Aspiring to serve in civil services, she embodies integrity, responsibility, and a passion for excellence. Her remarkable achievements inspires others, and I have no doubt she'll continue to make a meaningful impact as well. Many congratulations, Brahman. So she is Captain Ruby House 25-26. Now comes Himanshi. As a vice captain, Himanshi gaining communication and crafting skills. Her experiences have not only enhanced her skills but also reinforced her to commitment excellence. These activities allow her to unwind and fuel her creativity. Spirit of Ruby House with pride and passion. So this is Himanshi, passion for reading books, dancing and playing football. A gold medalist in Maths Olympiad and top grades in academics, versatile champion and well-dressed. She has contributed her old books at school, supporting education humble, helpful and kind, leading with true compassion. With over 12 trophies and medals, Angelina shines in assembly, exhibitions, dance, music, declamation and whatnot. And a teamwork star, passionate dancer, music lover, she believes in hard work, mutual support and giving her absolute best in everything she does. Her achievements in speech competitions, Olympiads and academics reflect her dedication. With dreams of becoming a successful business, she tries to uphold honesty, dedication, empathy and discipline. She always tries to excel in academics and also participates actively in extracurricular activities. Wish to be remembered for commitments to always passion lies in becoming an army doctor where she hopes to blend her love for medicine with the commitment of serving others. Her father, an army man, inspire her with this courage, dedication and a dedicated and passionate student with a great interest in dance and music, with teamwork and leadership qualities, who participate in activities like dance, music, speaking skills, etc. She inspires others with her commitment. She starts as a pillar of strength and guidance for every Sapphire House student. Many congratulations, ma'am. House captain, kindly get ready. Expertise both in academics and cultural activity. And she has skill set in leadership as she has been the sports prefect last year too. Her aspiration to be a judge in the future is truly remarkable. She is very disciplined, creative, honest and dedicated towards her responsibility and seems to make her parents and teachers proud one day. Many congratulations. Now, the next we have Lakshya as the Vice Captain of Sapphire House. Give them a big round of applause. So this was Vanshika, House Captain. Lakshya, get ready, being the Vice Captain of Sapphire House. Artistic talent and meaningful contribution to our school community. Harboring aspirations to become a surgeon, her dedication, precision and care are truly inspiring. Many congratulations. He will surely help to build a cohesive, supportive school community. Furthermore, he is having a strategic vision for the school and a drive to make tangible improvements. With a deep passion for learning, a natural sense of leadership and a heart ready to serve, this prefect represents the very best of us. We have Sarika. She has unique qualities of leadership and public speaking. She has won positions at various district level in painting and poster making competition. And she wants to become a scientist in future as she loves to discover something new. Always very confident, energetic and a dedicated child in giving her best in all her endeavors. She is always ready to fulfill her responsibility in every field. She has prepared many projects for different weekly themes for exhibitions. She has driven by a desire to make a positive impact. She is a multifaceted individual who excels in drawing, dance, sports, demonstrating creativity and discipline. Her dedication to personal growth reflects a commendable character with aspirations to become an IAS officer in future, as she is committed to contribute positively to society. Next, we have Anandi, aims to be a civil aspirant to serve the country with dedication. She is bold, confident, dedicated to her work as well as goal-oriented student. She has achieved third position in inter-school Swami Vivekananda declamation competition. She actively participates in special assembly and declamation. Now she is full of gratitude and responsibility. Now we have Coco, with a sparkle in her eyes and a passion that knows no bounds, the one who loves to participate, help, draw, write, and also have a heart of gold. She laboriously take part in every activity she do. She doesn't just want to make her future bright.
Is the head boy of Small Manda Public School solemnly swear to perform my duties to the best of my abilities and abide by the rules and regulations that governs me. I will uphold the motto of the school, service before self. I promise to make myself and the student community of Small Manda Public School the worthy citizens of the country. I will strive to take my school to greater heights. Jai Hind.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I stand here with a heart full of gratitude and excitement as I take on the responsibility of being the head girl of the school. This title means a lot to me, to our respective director sir, principal ma'am, teachers and all my fellow students. Thank you for placing your trust on me. As I wear this badge, I carry with it not just a responsibility, but a title to lead with honesty, dedication and empathy. Thank you.
Good morning, children. Good morning. Okay, firstly, heartiest congratulations to all the members of the school council as well as all the houses. And I'm sure and confident that they will discharge their duties with sense of responsibility and will come up with flying colors. And I would also like to thank the parents, those who have taken out some time for us and have graced the occasion. Basically, I think so, we didn't share with you what was the process, which I think so everybody must be aware of. Firstly, the students, they nominate for the certain post. Then there is a round with the panel of the teachers on which they need to speak on a topic given to them. After that, they move to the second round, and for the school council members, students, they vote. And this time the change was that we had e-voting. So for whatever way the procedure we had followed, the management, the teachers and the students, they deserve a huge round of applause because it was done very smoothly and they were aware about the voting system. Basically, the school has to inculcate values and the students need to know about what is happening around them. So they need to be good human beings first, and I'm sure we are trying our level best to inculcate those values in them. And we are very proud that we have such good parents, those who always support us in doing in whatever new we are planning to do. Thank you so much from my behalf and each and everyone who is associated with Small Manda family. Thank you. Jai Hind.